With the development of society, the word effort gained increasing popularity because the place of birth shouldn't define a person's destiny. Everyone has a right to pursue his or her dream. Everyone is equal in front of efforts. Every effort you make counts. Before the morning comes, you are sure to go through the darkness. Life will not make people who are working hard disappointed. So, children, take advantage of your youth and enjoy the charm of your youth. Youth is the best time in your life because the beauty of young people lies in everything is waiting for the years to unfold. It's like a painting. While these are depend on every effort you put into. 随着社会的发展，努力这个词越来越受欢迎，因为一个人的出生地点，它不会决定一个人的命运。在努力面前，人人平等，每个人都有选择努力的权利，每一份努力都算数。在黎明到来之前，肯定会有黑暗，上天不会辜负每一个努力的人。所以呀，孩子们，好好利用你们年轻的优势吧，尽情地挥洒你们的青春吧。年少的时光之所以美好，是因为年轻人的美好就在于一切都在等待岁月的展开中，美得像幅画，而这些美好都需要你的努力去实现。